Hi, today I'm reviewing Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag the app to another one, and now we can see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. By the same way, we could hold the application and drag it to the folder. To rename it, you should click once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps, tap to OK, and that's it. To remove folder here on the to move folder here on the screen, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. If you want to remove the application from the folder, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. Also, you could remove all of the applications with the folder together in one click just by hold the folder and tap to remove, or also you could remove only the folder by this way and you'll stay with these applications here on the home screen. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, hit like, comment and subscribe our channel.